Continuing coverage now in the case against Chad Doerman. He is the Claremont County man accused of killing his 3 young sons at their home last summer.
So you're looking at pictures of the boys, Clayton, Hunter, and Chase. Doerman is accused of planning the murders for months and also shooting the boys' mother as she tried to stop them. Still to this day, no motive has ever been announced.
So now Doerman's attorneys have filed a motion claiming his rights were violated after his arrest.
Get your hands over here.
This is body cam video showing Chad Doerman being taken into custody back on June 15th outside of his Laurel Lindale Road home in Monroe Township. It was there investigators say he shot and killed his 3 young sons, Clayton, Hunter, and Chase, execution style. But it's what happened afterwards that's a focus of a new motion filed by Doerman's defense attorneys. According to these court documents, they allege that detectives violated his Miranda rights first by not communicating them effectively and then continuing on with questioning despite Doerman's request for a lawyer.
But the general pretty strong rule is once you ask for an attorney, everything should stop right then. So apparently they kept questioning him, and he had already told them he wanted an attorney.
Mark Crumbine is a criminal defense attorney. He is not representing Doerman, but does have experience with death penalty cases and reviewed this new motion, which he says appears to have merit.
The stakes are very high in this case, of course. It's literally life or death.
In addition to the alleged Miranda rights violation, Doerman's attorneys also say there were videos wrongfully recorded during interviews with healthcare providers at the jail, including a mental health liaison. They're now asking the judge to keep that footage, as well as any statements made following his arrest, out of his upcoming trial.
Now, frankly, it's sort of, these statements would probably be the icing on the cake, because apparently there's a lot of other evidence.
Crumbine expects that to include testimony from the children's mother, who investigators say was there and witnessed the shooting, as well as the fact that Doerman was at the scene when officers arrived.
So there's quite a bit of other evidence. So even if the judge grants it, I don't think it's going to make or break the case.
So prosecutors have not responded to this newest motion. However, the judge is expected to hold a hearing on it next month on February 2nd. Meanwhile, Doerman's trial is still scheduled to start July 8th, but could likely be pushed back.